Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today really a very fun filled and easy recipe with lot of taste, lot of flavor. Here I have marinated the prawn. The marination is very important. I will be giving the details in my description box also. Here I have added green chili, ginger garlic paste, salt and a little bit of vinegar or lemon juice you can add. This marination is very important. Marinate the prawns for at least 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. Now heat a pan. To this add a little bit of butter, and when the butter starts melting, then you arrange your prawns, and I am going to poach them along with the marinade. Add the prawns and do not fry too much. Just when they are pinkish in color, we are going to start our next process. Now arrange them nicely and cover it and poach the prawns until they are pink, as I told you all. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe, and those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them. Now my prawns are very nicely poached. They will take at least 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, in medium flame. Now see, nice prawn poaches are ready here. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now you can add this lemon juice when your flame is very low. Do not raise the flame. And then I'm going to add the slurry. What is slurry? Slurry is a cornflour mixed with a little bit of water. Now this slurry has to be very runny. Don't make a thick slurry. And now mix everything very nicely, since we have already added everything in the marination, so nothing is required to add here. Some people prefer to keep it this runny, and some people like to make it dry, but I like a coating consistency of the sauce. I will be making till they coat the prawns very nicely and there is a glaze on it. To add some extra glaze, I will be adding a little bit of butter to it. A little bit of butter, say 1/4 teaspoonful of butter. Here goes some oregano. You can also add some chili flakes, but I have avoided it because I like the flavor of green chili here. So see friends, nice poached prawns with lemon butter sauce is ready to serve. You can serve this with your toast in the dinner, or you can have it like this. You can serve it with chow mein also, noodles also, and you can have it with plain rice also. Steamed hot boiled rice also goes very nice with this. So friends, it's your choice, entirely your choice. You can have it with anything which you prefer to have it. Now see, isn't that easy dish? And it's, trust me friends, it's very nice dish, and I had it in Chillies. From there I got the recipe and I tried it. Do try it and let me know how you liked it. Be happy, be merry.